Welcome back to this lesson. Now, today we're going to learn how to sort and filter your data in Google Sheet. And that is a very simple thing to do. So we're going to start off by sorting data. Now, the first thing you're going to do is select all your data, every single one. Now, ensure you don't have any blank rows in between, because this might affect the process. Now, once you've selected your data, click Data, then Sort Range, Advanced Range Sort Options. Now from here, ensure you select Data as header row, and then from here you can select you can choose what you want to sort it by. It can be by item, category, or amount. And I'll select amount. Now we have two options, A to Z and Z to A. A to Z means from low to high, so from the lowest amount to the highest amount, and Z to A means from the highest amount to the lowest amount. So let it remain as A to Z and then click Sort. And as you can see, it will start off with the lowest amount to the highest amount. So that is what sorting does. It depends with what you want to sort with, the category or anything. It will sort it regarding to your needs. So that is sorting. Let's go to filtering data. Now again, you're going to select your data, highlight the whole table, then select this funnel shaped. You can see this funnel shaped icon, that is the filter icon. Click on it. And as you can see, a small triangle or funnel icon will appear at every category you have over here. Now we'll go to category, select that icon, and from here you can choose what you want to filter. Now I want to be left with data pertaining to food, so I will deselect health, I will deselect education, entertainment, I will deselect education, transport, and utilities. I just want to be left with food, data pertaining to food. Then I'll click OK. And as you can see, the only data that will be left here is food, and this can change. You can still come here again, deselect food and select education, click OK, and this is the data pertaining to education, and on and on and on and on and on and on. So you can select health again and education. You can select two at a time and click OK, and then we have data pertaining to education and health. Now if you want to clear the filter, you can go back to the category and select them all. Ensure they're all selected like so, and then click OK, and all your data is back. Now if you want to remove the filter, as you can see, we still have this icons over here. If you want to remove the filter, all you have to do is go to data, then select remove filter, and it will be removed. It's as simple as that. Now these tools are powerful when your spreadsheet starts growing, and once you start creating more complex spreadsheets, you'll come to understand the importance of filtering and sorting data. Now in the next lesson, we'll look at how to format your spreadsheet to make it easier to read and more professional looking.